Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. It's been a very busy month with a number of houses leaving our yard, so I thought I'd get in today to show you this one before it heads off to Napier next week. It's based on our 140 floor plan, so it does have a few variations that I'll point out once we head inside, but in a nutshell it's a 140 square metre home with 3 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a separate scullery and a separate laundry. So we'll head on in and start the tour. Okay, so the floor plan in this home has been flipped or mirrored, so it always manages to confuse me a little bit. But we're here in the main living area, which is a really beautiful, bright, light, airy space, made even more so by the addition of another set of overwall stacker doors. So the home can be fully opened up to both outdoor living areas, just depending on where the sun is. We'll have a look here at the entertainment unit at the end here, the inbuilt entertainment unit. It has storage units on either end, so 2 on this end, 1 on this end. We've got the beautiful contrasting open shelving bookcase there. We've got space for your TV, over cupboards, and then under cupboards to house your AV equipment. Above the entertainment wall, you'll see that we have vents in the bulkhead there. That's a pre-installed in-ceiling concealed heat pump for heating and cooling the home. The other thing you'll note in here is that we've pre-installed curtains and blinds actually throughout the whole home. So once the house gets to site, it's all hooked up, the owners can really just settle in straight away. But now we'll go and have a look at the kitchen. Okay, I'm here in the kitchen. The clients have gone for a beautiful, timeless, black and white colour scheme in here with these beautiful glass, silver, chrome finished pendants above the island bench here. One of which we're still missing, so there will be 3 eventually. Over here above the future dining table, we've gone for the larger version of this pendant as well, just to finish things off. The kitchen itself very much follows our standard specs. The only sort of extras that we have in here are the pendant, the big pendant over the dining table, the microwave, and there's a dishwasher here as well. But everything, as I say, is pretty much standard. The island bench, we've got the engineered stone bench top with the black goose nose tap and nozzle. Behind it here, we've got the bank of drawers that we have at the end here with your cutlery tray already in there for you. We have space for the dishwasher. We've got the under cupboards here above, below the sink. We've got the twin bin drawer here and then a cupboard at the end as well. On this side of the kitchen, we've got a lot of over cupboards here. We've got our usual large shark nose drawers here with these internal inbuilt dividers. We've also got our standard Bosch appliances, which include your range hood, your hob, usually this would be electric, but the clients have gone for gas in this instance, and the oven here as well. So if you come down this end of the room, we've got behind this hidden door, we've got the scullery, so come on in. Right, there's ample space in here, and there's extra light that is coming in through this internal window here as well, which is actually quite a good way of bringing the light in. Everything in the scullery is standard, as I say. The only thing, the additions here is that they've gone for a sink, which is always a good idea in these areas, and then we've also got these vented vegetable drawers as well, which are another good addition. So that's the kitchen and scullery. We'll go now and go in behind the entertainment wall that we looked at before to have a look at the master bedroom suite. Okay, come on down into the master bedroom suite here. Right, we've actually, as I said before, we've actually flipped this floor plan so that the master bedroom is on the sunny side of the house and the ensuite and the walk-in wardrobe will be on the south side. The way the bedroom is laid up is a little bit different to what we usually do. The bed is going to be positioned on this wall here, opposite the sliding windows, and then we've also added another set of sliding windows there in place of the highlight windows, which would normally be there with the bed underneath. This room has really been finished off beautifully. We've got, as you can see, we've got this beautiful painted feature wall with the silver glass pendants on there already, and then we've got floor-to-ceiling curtains in here as well on both sets of windows. So yeah, all the clients really need to do is pop a bed in and they're all good to go. We'll go now and have a look at the ensuite. Usually we'd have 2 doors on this wall, but we'd have a door going into the walk-in wardrobe and then a separate door to go into the ensuite. but because we've positioned the bed here, we've got this one point of access. So come on through into the walk-in wardrobe here. There you go, and then as you see, you can come directly into the ensuite from the wardrobe. So the 140 bathrooms are really good size. They have a really good size shower as well, like I think it's 1.4 by 1 metre. Good size vanity as well, 1.2 metres wide, and we've also got this lovely big LED surround mirror, which is the same width as that. The only other thing in this room, a fixture, is the toilet, which is tucked away behind the privacy wall there. So that pretty much covers the master bedroom and ensuite end of the home. So we'll go down to the other side of the house and have a look at the other 2 bedrooms, the main bathroom and the laundry. Okay, so I'm on the fridge side of the kitchen here, and down this short hallway we have the main bathroom and one of the guest bedrooms. So come on down and have a look. Right, although we have a lot of fixtures in this bathroom, it still has a really nice roomy feel to it. We've also got this opalescent glass window here, which is directly opposite the exterior window to help keep the space light and bright as well. In terms of fixtures, talking about those, we have the 1.2 metre vanity that we saw in the ensuite with the standard mirror and vanity light above. We have a 1.6 metre bath here, and then opposite that we've got the frameless glass shower and heated towel rail. In this corner, last but not least is the toilet hidden away there as well. So we'll go down now to just down the little short bit of the hallway here into the final room of the house down here. So as you'll notice, it's sort of a similar setup to the master bedroom that we saw, with the feature wall on this side of the room, which means that the highlight window that was on this side, which would usually have the bed against it, has been changed into a sliding window. You've also got the full floor-to-ceiling curtains as well that we saw in the master bedroom. The final thing in here is the wardrobe, 3-bay wardrobe, floor-to-ceiling again, which gives you, a really good amount of storage in there as well. So we'll go now on the opposite side of this room here to the bedroom, and we'll also have a look at the laundry on the way. Okay, so we're on the opposite side of the kitchen here next to the scullery. So if you want to come down the hallway here, we'll go past the scullery window there, past the back door and into the laundry. So this is very much based on our 140 laundry plan. We've got the floor-to-ceiling linen cupboard at the end here. We've got a nice deep sink with your high-rise tap with the nozzle, pull-out nozzle. Then under cupboard here, and then space for a washing machine and dryer alongside that, and then finishing it all off, you've got the over cupboards above your bench there as well. So a lovely big laundry. But if you wanted to back out of here, we'll go and have a look at the final last bedroom and last room of the house. So this bedroom's also had a bit of a reshuffle, in that we've swapped the highlight window and the sliding window. So they've sort of swapped walls, which means that the bed is actually going to go on this wall here. I think it's the main difference. The wardrobe stayed in the same place, thank goodness. So that's the same. It's the 3-bay wardrobe that you saw in the previous bedroom. So that concludes the tour. If you like what you've seen here today, or you'd just like to find out a little bit more about any of our homes, then please visit our website, www.elevatehomes.co.nz, or give us a call and we'd be happy to have a chat with you in more detail. But in the meantime, thanks for listening and bye for now.